Hi, today I work with a few students to make a robot pencil topper. Of course, we started with a hole. Then we learned how to align, make sure it's right in the center. We're using TinkerCAD. Decided we have eyes. They were getting a little out of control. Finally, we got a size that we liked. Doubled those up and grouped them together. We used a line again to make sure the robot eyes were all in the right position. Now it's getting a little boring, so we turn the eyes sideways. Looks a little like a toaster to me. We decide to add some hair. So here we use duplicate. We duplicated a cone. Then we grouped those together. Duplicated those. Whoa. Then we duplicated those. And now we had some nice hair. So we knew the size of the box was 24 millimeters by 34 millimeters. We weren't sure how far the hair should hang over. Tune in next week.